Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Today in this video let's talk about these two functions, this one nmap and the second one Nikto. For Nikto is an open source web server scanner that performs vulnerability scanning against web servers for multiple items. Also, it can include dangerous files and programs. Also, Nikto checks for outdated versions of web server software. It's very interesting, this one. And we know now nmap, it's one function to can scan all network. You can find many other commands here in the official tools of Kali Linux. In this website you can here find all command, okay, all command with package with information about how to use every one of these command. Okay, now let's start with our Kali Linux. I want to write for this first command, but before I will ask ChatGPT to create for me one new file with all IP address of my network. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, now I will create this command, and now it's dash code. Okay, I will ask ChatGPT to provide me all address IP for my network. Okay, let's do it. And first I need to display the result here. Okay, now this is the command, okay, to check for our IP address. I execute this command, and now he show me that I have two IP address. I have this one of our local host, and this is the IP address of my computer. Let's now ask ChatGPT to copy, okay, this result in a new file here, file scan.txt. Okay, I will ask him to create this file. I execute this command, and now I have this new file. I will just here I will just take only, sorry, I need to reopen this file. Okay, I will just take only this IP address, okay, this one. Okay, safeguard the file. Now I will insert this command. I will ask ChatGPT to create code for bash with a nmap script for my current address IP, or I can here replace my current address IP, or just to say him from the file that I create. I copy this command, and here I paste this code here. And now I will ask him to write a bash with an nmap script for IP address in this file, and the name of my file is scan.txt. Okay, let's execute this command. Okay, this is my script. Now I want to ask ChatGPT to create for me a bash code with the Nikto script. It's very important to use now Nikto script. Nikto script in reality will search for me some code and some malicious code in my, for example, website or in my network. Okay, that's why it's very important to use this function. Here I insert my command. I ask to search a scan on IP address in this file scan.txt. Okay, let's do it. Good. Now ChatGPT launch the command and create this code. I want now to create a new file here, an empty file here. Okay, the name, for example, bash code, dot sh. Okay, I create this file. Now I will insert my code in this file. Okay, I will open this file. Okay, it's good. Now I will copy the first code. I can place two bash code in the same file. We don't have problem. I can do it. Okay, I copy this code. Now I insert my code here, and I can place the second code, this one, on the end. Very good. Now I have two code. Okay, now let's execute this script. First we should safeguard. I have to safeguard my file, and now this is the file. To execute my file, I launch this line. Okay, very important to give permission to allow this file to be executed as a program. It's very important to go over in proprietors and now permissions and check this one. Okay, now I execute the file. Okay, now he start nmap. Okay, for this one he say that all 1000 scanned ports in this are ignored states. It's meaning that all my ports are closed. It's very important. And now when I launch nmap for this IP address, okay, he scanned and I have 0 result. That's meaning that I don't have some ports, open ports, or some malicious program in my file. It's very good and interesting code here.